Hello healthy foodies, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious bread and egg sandwich. It was so healthy and delicious. In a bowl, crack 2 eggs and season it with salt, seasoning powder and pepper if you like it spicy. I do. And then beat that to combine. You guys, this recipe is a banger. It's like, oh my god, if I don't shock you, I don't know who will on this channel. And then go on to slice your vegetables. I use cucumber, tomatoes and cabbage. We make do with what we have that is available to us. This is not a broccoli when you don't have broccoli kind of recipe. Do you get? So use what is available to you. And guys, I just went on with the cooking. In a pan I added some oil, and you can totally skip this part if you can eat your tomato raw, but I can't. That's why I'm toasting it slightly here and just flipping it over to make sure it's slightly cooked before I use it for this sandwich. And after that, I grease the pan again and poured in my eggs. You want to put your bread as quickly as possible before the eggs set. So put it and then flip it to the other side so that one side of it has uncooked eggs and the other side is on the bread. And you will see me do it here. Just observe. It's just that I was too slow with the first one. If you can do this better, do it and tag me on social media, and I'll be so glad to see your outcome. You want to gently flip that over and tuck in the sides of the eggs, while the other part of the bread will be toasting gently. Just go ahead and arrange your vegetables. Okay, I arranged it. This part was fun for me because I love the color pop, and like I said, you can use any sandwich filling of your choice. You can even add meat if you have it, you know, make it yum yum yum. You already know. So I just layered the tomatoes, the cabbage and closed it up. So because of that mistake I told you, that's why like some part of the bread is not well toasted. But if you leave that on that pan for a few more minutes and flip it over, you should get something this beautiful. You guys, this thing was so delicious, and this is a complete meal. Trust me, it is super delicious, super nutritious, and of course healthy. That's why we are here. I know my Nigerian friends will say, what will 2 slices of bread do for me? This one is very, very satisfying. Okay, don't forget to nourish, flourish and glow, and drop in the comment section, would you be trying this recipe? Let me know. I'll see you in my next one, lovelies. Bye.